Hello friends, in this video we will know a case study questions on the chapter straight line of class 11th mathematics. The question is like this: three girls, Rani, Mansi, Sneha, are talking to each other and maintaining social distance due to COVID-19 pandemic. As we know, because of COVID-19 we are facing a lot of troubles now, and government is saying, everybody is saying that we have to maintain social distance and we are in mask every day, every time. So three girls, Rani, Mansi and Sneha, are talking to each other and maintaining social distance due to COVID-19 pandemic. Their class teacher told them to stand on the vertices of a triangle. So their class teachers told them to stand on the vertices of a triangle. Suppose Rani is here at the point 2 minus 2, Mansi is here at the point 1 1, and Sneha is here at the point minus 1 0. Now we will answer the questions. The equation of lines formed by Rani and Mansi. The equation of line formed by Rani and Mansi. So Rani is at the point 2 comma minus 2, Mansi is at the point 1 comma 1. So we have to find the equation of the line Rm. 2 points are given and we know the 2-point formula of straight line, that is y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. And here you consider this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, put the values, you will get the result. So y minus y1 means y plus 2 is y2 minus y1 means 1 plus 2 by x2 minus x1 means 1 minus 2 into x minus x1. Now you simplify this, it will be y plus 2 equals to minus 3 into x minus 2, and it will be y plus 2 is minus 3x plus 6 means 3x plus y is equals to 4. This is the equation of lines formed by Rani and Mansi. 3x plus y equals to 4. Now comes to the next one. Slope of equation of line formed by Mansi and Sneha. Mansi is here, Sneha is here. We have to find the slope of the line MS. We know the formula for slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Let us consider this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2 and put the formula. It is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 means it will be 1 by 2. The slope of MS is 1 by 2 means slope of the equation of line formed by Mansi and Sneha is 1 by 2. So second bit will be the correct answer. Now comes to the question number 3. The equation of median line through Rani. As we know, the triangle is like this. Rani is here at the point 2 comma minus 2, Mansi is here at the point 1 comma 1, and Sneha is here at the point minus 1 comma 0. We have to find the equation of median line through Rani means this line. So median means these two should be equal. MD is equals to DS. So now by using midpoint formula, I can find the point D. The D point will be 1 minus 1, 0 by 2 is 0, and 1 plus 0, 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. We know the midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. By using that formula, we get the point D. Now we have to find the equation of RD. D is 0 comma half and R is 2 comma minus 2. Again use 2-point formula to get the result. 2-point formula is y minus y1 is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now you put the value, you will get the result. The result will be 5x plus 4y equals to 2 if we will substitute the values. Means first bit will be the correct answer. Now comes to question number 4. The equation of line passing through Rani and parallel to line formed by Mansi and Sneha. The equation of line, we know the triangle is like this. Here is Rani at the point 2 comma minus 2. Here it is Mansi at the point 1 comma 1, and here is Sneha at the point minus 1 comma 0. we have to find the equation of the line passing through Rani and parallel to the line formed by Mansi and Sneha. Means we have to find a line parallel to MS passing through R. So we have to find the line PQ. Since MS is parallel to PQ and we know two lines are parallel if their slopes are equal. The slope of MS is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 means 1 by 2. Or already we found here in question number 2, that also you can use here or you can find directly. Now the slope of PQ is also equals to 1 by 2 since PQ is parallel to MS. We need to find the equation of PQ. Its slope is 1 by 2 and it passes through a point 2 comma minus 2. That means we can use the slope point form. It is y minus y1 is m into x minus x1. So y plus 2 is half into x minus 2. Now if you will simplify, you will get x minus 2y equals to 6. Means third bit will be the correct answer. So hope you understood all the 4 questions here. Thank you.